So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the bonuses if you use AntBot using my referral link. Okay, I will give you a special indicator how you can see the support and resistance level so you know when to single run your positions inside Binance Futures trading. Okay, so if you watch all the playlists, okay, I'll put a link down below. You must watch all the playlists here, guys. Okay, go through it and see how you can sign up with AntBot. Now, if you use my referral link, which is in the description box, okay, you will get some of these bonuses. So how do you get the bonuses? In order to qualify for the bonuses, guys, you must buy the energy first. Okay, I suggest you buy the $100 energy, the cheapest energy first, because you might want to try this out. After you have purchased the energy, you can email me at cryptosmartcoin@gmail.com. Okay, you can email me, provide me with your AntBot ID, and then I will send you the bonuses, link to the Telegram group, as well as some private trainings. I will show you some of the coins here. These are the coins with the base order. Okay, if you have small capital, I highly recommend you choose coin with small base order, because when you do averaging, you're not going to deplete your wallet too much. Okay, this is why this list is kind of important. And also I have some tutorial here which I've given to you, and also I've updated a lot of the information here because AntBot recently upgraded their platform. Now I have some private training as well, showing you how to choose direction for a coin, whether should you long, whether should you short or short. Okay, so you can watch this training right here, which direction should you choose for a particular coin. And also, if you have big floating, guys, I teach you how you can single run coins. I also teach you how to do perfect manual averaging. I teach you how to perform manual close position inside Binance directly. I also show you the best time to do averaging, okay? As well as the tutorial on trading views, how to find support and resistance using the indicators. Okay, so when you see this, okay, when you see the coin reaching close to resistance level, you can single run your bot, or if it close to the support level, you can single run your short position. Okay, so this is some of the additional training that you can get, as well as you will get a free YouTube fast track program, additional training, additional bonus for you if you decided to sign up using my link. Again, guys, I'm not paid, okay, I'm not sponsored, but I do get some energy, AntBot energy, if you use my referral code. If you support this channel, I'm gonna help you also, because these are my experience, the thing that I've gone through using the bot. Again, this is just purely based from my experience and the things that I found out to be true, and I'm gonna share it to you, this list, if you are interested. Okay, we also have a private Telegram group. You can join the group. Now the private Telegram group, guys, it have people from all over the world. Okay, people who from Indonesia, people who are in the English speaking countries. So when you join the group, you're gonna see some people speaking a different language, which is fine. Okay, if you wanna get answers from English, you can just ask question in English and you get a reply in English. We have great members in there, very friendly, and we have admins that can reply to your questions. These are all people who use AntBot, guys, so we can connect with other people who are trading on Binance Futures as well. Now this is very exciting, guys. At the end of the day, we are one family. Okay, we are in this together. We are learning about crypto market and make money at the same time. At the end of the day, this market, okay, these are all buyers and sellers, nothing more to it. Buyers and sellers, we place our positions and we expect to make profit based on the direction that we think is the market going to go. Okay, guys, if you are interested, again, I'll put a link down below. You don't need to use my code if you don't want to, but if you use my code, you can get additional bonuses which I mentioned just now.